What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad to have you here. Today I'm going to show you how to create a viral movie poster. I'm going to put you inside the movie. All you got to do is head over to Microsoft Bing. Yes, Microsoft Bing. That is where DALL-E 3 is. So let's just take a look at the first prompt, the animated character into a Disney Pixar movie poster. For this one, I put a movie poster by Disney Pixar of a 3D animated character of a 20-year-old man with a red mohawk and a web tattoo on his neck. Let's take a look at the other ones. Very cool. Yes, they look very cool. Now, obviously, the AI is not going to be 100% perfect. A lot of things are messed up, but this one got it pretty good. Disney Pixar AI WEBB TV. That looks really cool. Let's take a look at the next prompt. So for this one, we're going to do a movie poster, and we're going to put the guy in a silk cheetah print shirt with gold chains on an airport tarmac with a private jet and a Rolls Royce behind him. Okay, we're going full on Narcos right here. Let's put AI WEBB TV in a Narcos movie. All right, guys, check it out. Disney Narcos movie. Now, as you could see, the text wasn't perfect. It didn't come out too right, but dang, look at that movie poster. Look at that private jet. Look at the Rolls Royce. This would be a cool movie poster, right? But like a Disney Narcos movie. He looks like Pablo Escobar. Not really, but the new age Pablo. Let's go to the next prompt, an Olympic bobsled. Have you guys seen Cool Runnings? Okay, if you guys haven't seen Cool Runnings, that is a classic. Please. Jamaica, we have a bobsled team. We got the Wonderies. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Very cool, very cool. Disney AI WEBB TV has made it. Look at that. AI WEBB TV has made it big time, baby. We're starring in the next Disney Pixar film. There is your boy. I am on the bobsled team, and I am headed for glory, for the gold medal, baby. I gotta save that one right there. Thank you very much, Bing, for putting me in the big times. And another cool movie poster right there. Let's take a look at the last prompt. Now look at this one. All right, again, it's just making me Spider-Man on everything, but that's kind of cool. That's like a crazy Spider-Man right there. Look at that. AI WEBB. I'm in the jungle, baby. Here's a cool one right here. AI WEBB TV has made it to Disney. I gotta save that one. I like that movie poster. That looks too cool right there. Made it to the big times, baby. Disney. And another one. Very cool. This is how you guys can make viral movie posters in just a matter of seconds. Go on to Microsoft Bing. If you don't have it, just download it for free, you guys. It's free. You just download Microsoft Edge, download that, and you'll have DALL-E 3 completely for free. You just go onto the chat part and you type in create the following image, and then you type in whatever you want, and you can use the prompts that I give you. I'm gonna put all the prompts in the description below. Make sure you check out the next video and subscribe to the channel. Peace and good night, y'all.